one more performance today, and it's going to be Miss Ariana Shake. She's playing a section of another Beethoven sonata. Lots of Beethoven today. All right, and I think we're just hearing the first half of that today. Very nice. She's just presenting that. If you didn't know what that was, that's the third movement of Moonlight Sonata. Most people know Moonlight Sonata as the one that goes like this. But the third movement's a very exciting movement, which is what she played for us today. I'm going to relaunch that poll, and there you go. Have a couple of minutes on that. I think Matthew has his hand up already.
Okay, I think it was excessively harsh. I think you should go faster, and it was slightly uncoordinated some areas.
All right. So yeah, I'm working on the coordination for sure. She's just started this piece. But yeah, I agree. I think the harshness might have been the computer. I don't know. Normally it doesn't sound like that at
Oh,
your one-on-one. So I don't know. It did sound nasty. It sounded pretty gritty. So it could have been the microphone, because normally you have your headphones on when I chat with you. So I'm not sure, but I know what you're talking about. I agree with you. It did sound confusing in that sense. Julia Lee.
I agree with Matt, and I think it was a bit top heavy. Like, yeah.
Okay. Mr. Numan.
So I thought the dynamics were good. I thought the character was good, and yeah, it did sound a little bit nasty, but that may have been the microphone. So yeah.
Okay, good. Lots of hands here. Miss Zhang, the fire dragon.
Um, I think like some places were like a bit too loud. Like so, like so like one was like kind of hurt my ears a little bit. But I think that might be just because I'm wearing the headphones. So but the piano part, I think you should make that a bit softer.
Okay, so mostly the comments are on the dynamics. Mr. Nicholas Wong.
I agree with Laura and Julia. I also think it's a little top heavy. And one example is that measure 50 to 60. That section it's supposed to be P and F, but you played like all of it F.
Good. Yeah, you guys are just a savage team. I love hearing your feedback because you're like little minions. You guys get it. All together as a team, you guys work together and you get the exact feedback each time. Vivian?
You have pretty good dynamics. I also think your character is pretty stand out. Though yeah, it was a bit harsh, but that's probably because of the microphone.
Okay, we got one more person here, and then we'll finish up. Naman?
Never mind. Never mind. I accidentally did it.
What? Can't have accidents here. Okay. Well, I really loved hearing. All yesterday was Beethoven. All today will be Beethoven. We're gonna have more days in the future that will be all Beethoven. We're gonna have about 42 piano sonata movements being played in the fall. That's one of the programs that we'll have because this year is Beethoven's 250th birthday. He's turning 250. He's kind of getting a little bit up there in age. I don't know how he's still around. Anyway, I will see you guys as early as tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. Otherwise, I'll see you throughout the day. Well done today. Fantastic teamwork and great play. Thank you.